So good morning everyone. Myself Samarth Verma, as you all know. My whole video is about the topic for hydrogen fuel. I am producing hydrogen from the process of electrolysis, but hydrogen could be derived from many processes like biological, solar, adiabatic and thermal processes. Electrolysis is a reaction in which we add some kind of electrolyte to water to break its constituents into the gaseous state. I am breaking hydrogen from water by adding the electrolyte NaCl. NaCl, the reaction is as follows: water plus salt or NaCl will, when react with energy, when react with electricity, it will give you hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas plus NaOH or sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a very efficient base, you all know. My main product from this reaction is hydrogen. The hydrogen gas is then continues here from the to the purifier. It purifies here from the process of filtration. The purified hydrogen then moves to the cold storage. Inside the cold storage, they are highly vacuum chambered because it is very dangerous to keep the hydrogen unsafe because it could be leaked. Highly vacuum chambered contains also low temperature. The low temperatured and high pressured hydrogen gas then moves to the fuel cell, where it reacts with hydrogen, where it reacts with oxygen. The reaction is follows: hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas provides you certain amount of water and certain amount of energy. And it is a very shocking result that 9 liters of water by electrolysis provide 1 kilogram of hydrogen, and 1 kilogram of hydrogen by the process of fuel cell by the merging of oxygen, it provides 33.7 kilowatt hour energy, which is about 33 units energy, which is capable to glow the bulbs and any kind of hydrogen, any kind of electricity you want, but not used in factories. Factories could use more amount of hydrogen to produce a certain amount of energy they required. On comparing it with solar power plant is very highly costly, high costly, and it produce less amount of energy than hydrogen power plant. It requires more area than hydrogen power plant. It requires many work labor to always clean the solar panels because solar and one more special thing, that solar power plant could not work in the monsoon season because it is rainy season, and the solar energy is not cannot be taken in the windy season. It cannot be used in night. It cannot use in winter because in winters its efficiency become very low because solar light is not emitted to earth in such a way that it is used in summer. On comparing it with this thermal power plant requires heat, but if we wouldn't provide them heat, it will not work. On comparing it with windmill is kind of certainly good source of energy, but it requires high winds, which is not even possible in every kind of areas. Hydrogen power plant could be set up in any kind of area because water supply is such thing that is is everywhere in India or in world. On comparing it with all the kind of energy sources, this source is a very highly efficient, highly cost effective model. Hydrogen is very green energy because it would not give any kind of certain impacts on the global warming, which is very dangerous now time. We all need newspapers. Hydrocarbons are nearly to the dead because it is very less amount. It is remained in very less amount in our earth, and hydrocarbon is mainly Main reason for greenhouse effect and global warming. From this statement, I am ending my whole conversation. Thank you. Myself, Samarth Verma. Thank you.